This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get public beta. First, it's crucial to back up your device. This protects your data in case anything goes wrong during the beta installation. Next, ensure your device is compatible with the public beta program. Not all devices support every beta. Finally, you'll need to enroll in the Apple Beta software program using your Apple ID. This is a quick and free process. Once enrolled, navigate to the Apple Beta software program website on your device and download the beta profile. After downloading, you'll be prompted to install it. Go to your device's Settings app, find the downloaded profile, and install it. This step is essential as it tells your device to look for beta updates. Remember to restart your device immediately after installation to ensure the profile is fully active. With the beta profile installed and your device restarted, you're ready to update. Open your device's settings, then go to General and tap on Software Update. You should now see the public beta update available for download. Tap to download and install it. This process might take some time, depending on your internet speed and the update size. Your device will restart automatically once the installation is complete. While exciting, remember that beta software can have issues. You might encounter bugs, unexpected app crashes, or reduced battery life. Some of your favorite apps might not work perfectly until they're updated for the new beta. It's always a good idea to report any issues you find to Apple. Also, for a great reading experience anywhere, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.